Hey guys, so here's a quick review on remainder theorem. So this is what we did yesterday. So the questions this is going to answer is -2 a solution? What is the remainder? And a little bit of a stretch the way this one's laid out, but is x plus 2 a factor? And to answer any of those three questions, all you're going to do is take your -2, and you're going to plug it in the place where x was. So -2 to the fourth, -2, -2, -2. And you're going to plug it directly into your calculator. And I even plug it in just the way it looks to get your answer. So as long as you're using your parentheses appropriately, all the things should work out famously. So this is the first time I've used this calculator, so I apologize for being new to this calculator on this computer. But again, you're just going to plug it in just the way you see it. Double check and follow behind yourself, because the mistakes are that you're pushing the wrong buttons, not because you don't know what you're doing, which is a drag because then you miss it for no good reason. Make sure you're using minus, not negatives, when you want to be minus instead of it to be a negative. And then we have our answer. And our answer is -7. So the remainder would be -7. So is 2 a solution? That would be a no, because there is a remainder, and that remainder is -7. And is x plus 2 a factor? That's a no, because there is that -7. Had this -7 been a 0, then all of these two answers would then be yes. So here's one more. Pause your video if you like and try this guy out. So again, you're still going to do the same thing. You're going to take x equals 2, plug a 2 in, 2 in, and 2 in. And then you're going to plug it in your calculator to get an answer. And if there is a remainder, then obviously it is not a factor. If there is not a remainder, then that means it is a factor. So again, back in, we're going to plug it in our calculator. Watch what you're plugging in your calculator, because your mistakes could just be the actual buttons you push and not that you don't know what you're doing. Again, because remainder theorem should be fairly easy as long as you know what questions it's going to ask, like when to use it. It is not a replacement for synthetic division or long division. It answers only a select few of questions. So we do have a remainder of 1, so that means not a solution, with a remainder of 1. And then x minus 2 is not a factor. All right, guys, there's your brief review on remainder theorem.